Can household chemicals totally wreck your septic system by killing off the good bacteria that keep everything breaking down smoothly? So, here's the deal. You gotta be careful with what you pour down your drains if you have a septic system, you know? Stuff like bleach, drain cleaners, and even some antibacterial soaps can mess up the natural bacteria that break down waste in your tank. Instead, try to use eco-friendly cleaners or simple stuff like baking soda and vinegar for cleaning. Don't dump cooking oils or grease down the sink because they can clog things up big time. Also, avoid flushing anything other than toilet paper and human waste. No wipes, feminine products, or paper towels, no matter what the packaging says. Regular maintenance is clutch too. Get your tank pumped every few years so it doesn't overflow or back up. Using water efficiently helps too. Spread out laundry loads and fix leaks so you're not flooding the system. Basically, treat your septic system like a living thing that needs good stuff to survive. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic systems is pouring harsh chemicals down the drain, which kills the bacteria and leads to system failure. The fix? Switch to natural cleaning products and limit chemical use. Another common screw-up is flushing non-degradable items like wipes or hygiene products. This clogs pipes and tanks. Just stick to toilet paper and human waste only to keep things flowing. Lastly, ignoring regular septic tank pumping is a huge no-no. It causes backups and expensive repairs. Set reminders to get your tank pumped every 2 to 3 years based on your household size and usage. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to septic systems and home repairs. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them directly with people ready to get projects done without all the hassle.